Cole. Come here, Cole. Cole, come.
Hey guys, it is the morning. I'm about to go pheasant hunting for the first time, so next time you'll see me there. Go ahead, nice.
Here. Well, I wasn't shooting it when it came up. Come here.
We have a name for it now.
Oh, rooster's right here. Coming at you.
Oh, right here. Oh, hit him, boys. There you go.
Drop.
I know he's smelling them. I mean, that just. There's two. Good boy. Hey, come here. Come here.
Hey.
Drink. Here, come here.
Oh, there he is.
Come at you.
Hit him. Nice.
Good shot. Who got it?
I think I did. I shot. You shot too?
We both shot.
I thought I only heard one. It sounded exactly the same time.
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
All right, that's all you two. Go ahead.
Whoa.
Let me get you guys on camera shooting one.
Whoa. Stay. Get ready, Jamie. Whoa. I thought I heard it run.
There it is. There it is.
Right here.
There you go.
Nice. Good boy. Come on. Here.
Nice, guys.
No, you shot first.
That was really good.
Number one.
Is that his first one?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice.
That's halfway. Come on. Oh.
He's right there. He's right next to you guys. Right in front of you. Right in front of you.
Right here. Come here, Cole. Cole, come.
Alright, come in.
That wasn't near the shoulder, that was my
Gave a
chin.
couple shots. Good boy. Here.
He's on point right now. Yep. He's on point. He's right here. He's right here. He's creeping.
What is it? Well, shoot it. Well, he went on point here and ran it out. Here he comes.
There. Oh, he got him. Yeah, he's winged. Yeah. So we're back home. Yeah, we're back home. I learned a lot. I learned a lot pheasant hunting. It was really fun. I shot one bird, and the one bird I did shoot, I put like a baseball-sized hole in this bird. So we're not gonna show that because, you know, YouTube will, you know, I learned a lot. This is something that everyone, you know, I feel like this is something, if you're trying to get into hunting, this is something that I totally suggest. I don't have a whole lot of experience, but I went out with some people who know what they're doing, and we had a good time. It was a put and take, and we had about 6 people with us. It was just a blast, and everyone loved it, and I think I'm definitely gonna go back again. It was worth it. But yeah, it's a gentleman's sport. It's not on the level of duck hunting or anything like that. It's just more or less just to bring everyone together. You know, I think it holds more value there. I just think it holds more value there. It was really fun. For me, it was really fun. This is just my opinion. We're gonna do a catch, clean, and cook, so you will see what's going on with that. So I'm gonna hop on that bandwagon. And the next time you'll see me, it will be in the kitchen.